Hello, my name is Joan Hegerfeld-Baker and I'm the Food Safety Specialist for SDSU Extension. I'm going to cover just a little bit of information about adjustments for pressure or time when home canning based on altitude. The recommended processing times and pressures are for home canned foods from sea level up to 1,000 to 2,000 feet. However, as altitude increases, the boiling temperature of water decreases. Therefore, adjust the time if using a boiling water bath canner, and the pounds of pressure will increase if using a pressure canner as the altitude increases. Recipe books and fact sheets that follow the USDA guidelines will normally include information that will identify the pressure or time for the product you are canning in your area of the state or country. When home preserving foods, use a tested recipe so you can home can with confidence. The United States Department of Agriculture and land-grant universities such as South Dakota State University and companies that use USDA guidelines are examples of credible sources. Also visit the SDSU Extension iGrow website, igrow.org, for more information on food safety and home food preservation.